I think it's coyotes, right?
Oh yeah, coyote.
What the fuck? Now they bark too or no? That's probably a dog, huh? Cause that motherfucker's barking.
Weekend.
Anybody trying to communicate? Are you trying to communicate, Margie? Leroy? Are you trying to communicate? Can't read that shit. Ronald? Are you trying to communicate? Come on, Ronald. I know you want to let us know you're here.
Wait.
How about you, Donald? U.S. Navy. World War II. Pretty gangster. Got assaulted. That's what I heard. I mean, I'm gonna get assaulted because I keep hearing some shit over here. Like a person insane. Look how quiet it is, watch. The cemetery is literally in the mountains. Goodsprings, Nevada. I know what I'm doing. Put some sensor balls out and see what happens. You trying to talk to us, Donald? Oh, here's some shit. Hello. I heard people talking. I mean, it's pitch black in this bitch, so someone could easily creep up on me.
Need it.
See, if I lived in that house, I'll fuck with everybody that comes over here. Let's try to talk to Cheyenne. Oh shit, my gloves are in the car. I do need to put gloves on. See, 1902 to 1963. We're better off trying to talk to Leroy Jacobson. Would you like to talk to us, Leroy? It's probably his lady here. Because they're kind of close together, you know? The tombstones are close together, so it's probably him and his girl. Maybe, I don't know, I'm just saying. Then again, those are right there too. So they're probably like, I don't know. Damn, why does this one have these rocks all like mounted like that? That's another thing I gotta watch out for. Fucking those. I heard coyotes over there earlier. Or something was howling, dude. It was crazy. Let's see what's up with Stubbs. I mean, Tony. Damn, 1947 to 2022. Death without fear. It's pretty gangster, Stubbs. Why don't you keep it gangster and why don't you talk to us? I'm guessing Stubbs is his nickname. Would you like to talk to us, Stubbs? Author of Death Without Fear. Yeah, I might have to trip out on that shit. I mean, I might have to look that up because that's pretty badass. Death Without Fear. It's pretty gangster, Stubbs. Why don't you keep it gangster and why don't you talk to us? Are you a resident of Goodsprings? I should just say deaf. That's how it sounded to me. This guy right now too. A lot of random fucking lights. I mean, I know those are planes, but I'm just saying like lights that weren't here before. Damn, the sky looks so sick. Oh shit. That shit went off out of nowhere. Look at it, over there is Las Vegas. Oh, the light you see over there is Las Vegas. That's how much light Vegas has. That shit's crazy. You can see so much light. And then you look towards Cali. And it's pitch black. Fucking Vegas. That shit says, I did it my way. Fucking gangster, Vincent. Vincent was obviously living life like a thug. Vincent, were you a resident of Goodsprings? Let me try a different frequency or whatever. How about the worst fucking shoes anybody could fucking wear? Why didn't I bring my boots? Because I'm a dumb fuck. It's because I thought I was going to quinceañera or something. No, I'm just kidding. Heard some shit again. R100 heard some shit now. Let's go look for tubs or whatever. I was trying to talk to Harvey, but I started hearing some creepy shit with Harvey. Let's talk to Harvey. Harvey, did you serve in any wars?
Three of our kids.
2 of our kids? What the fuck? Are you a resident of Goodsprings, Harvey? for the homie. Go look for the homie. I mean, this shit is pitch black. That's why it's like, I don't even know what the hell the fence is. I already like almost fell like 4 times. Oh shit. Dude, what the hell? 1858 to 1949. I'm not good at math, but it sounds like a fucking long line, isn't it? Which is excellent. Tell me what your secret is, homeboy. Watch, listen. Listen. What the fuck is that? There's something over there in the mountains, dude. I'm gonna get off this shit, and I'll come back on if I don't get eaten, because there's some shit moving right there.